I supposed to go over there at the Tamar Park, but then it's closed. I forgot this is closed, so I don't know where we're going to walk. Oh, I think here we can walk here. I think there. Oh, I still have. We can walk here. Oh, this is I don't know what is this. It's my first time though. Okay. Many people is having a concert there. It's a Filipino, of course, as usual. So this is my first time to come here again, guys. So let me show you the cutie and the beauty here. It's like this. They're having a concert there, guys, but now they're having a concert. But me, I cannot. Before, guys, I always come here, guys, before, but now no more because I am very busy at work. So I don't have even holiday for Sunday. So, but now let's see what is this. I don't know what's this. Here, public guided tour meeting font, the word of Boxia, a path to glory, English. Ah, it's a shoe. Here, oh, they have English. Then we go there, guys, and see what it is. Like this here, guys. Only like this. So we'll be going there. We will be going to Tamar Park. Galing na kumakanta dito. Here, it's a movie show like us. So we will be going to the punta tayo, guys, dun sa may tugtog. Hindi ko alam kung alam ko doon. So let's go over there. It's still pedestrian lane. Dito tayo ngayon sa loob ng EIA Vitality Hub. Dito siya. As doon kung gusto nyo sumakay ng ganyan, oh, ayan. Mura lang po yung ticket dyan, pero hindi tayo sasakay kasi tatamad ako. Maganda po dito. Punta tayo sa kabila. Ang baho dito kasi ang bangi kasi CR dyan. Punta tayo sa kabila, tapos bili tayo ng ating pagkain. Waffle. I really love the waffle here because it's so yummy. Before, they don't have like this, but now a lot already. See? Dami ng ano pala dito, oh. Ngayon lang ako nakapunta dito, maraming ganyan na siya, oh. Mga ano, oh. because every time na bumibili po ako is yung waffle. Hindi yung ganito. So, ito nga po yung in-order ko, which is chocolate. And now, I know the taste. This one. It's really my first time to eat this one. Yummy. So, now guys, I'm going home kasi my phone is already low but no more battery, so it's time for me to going home. Actually, we're still here in Central, so OTTD natin ngayon is I buy this one and believe. So I'm going home now guys, so thank you so much for watching this video. And if you haven't subscribed my channel, please do subscribe now, and please don't forget to comment and turn on your notification bell so that you will always be updated on my next vlog. I love you guys.